Guess who's back? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you know who it is, you know what the gig is. Oh yes. So I've been getting loads of requests. I say loads, like probably about 10 people have requested for me to do like an eyeliner tutorial. And the thing is, I have done one like, I'd say probably last year, but I guess because I was like so small then, I've gained loads of new subscribers since. People don't see those videos, so I thought I'll do a new updated version. So yeah, what I usually do when I do like eyeliner, because as everyone knows, which people find a bit weird, is that I do my eyeliner first and then I put the eyeshadow on. For me personally, I just find that easier because if I mess up the eyeliner and the eyeshadow's already on, and then I have to rub out the eyeliner, which then rubs out the eyeshadow, which I've just perfectly blended for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, however. So for me it's just easier to just do the eyeliner first, do the eyeshadow, and then if I need to, because sometimes there isn't even any fallout, I just go over the black lines already outlined for me, and it's well easy. So anyway, so I'm going to do a makeup look, but I'm going to go and do my eyeliner, but I thought I would give you guys an eyeliner tutorial. So I'm going to go in my e.l.f. eyeliner, because this is my favourite one at the moment. Literally this has like been so worth the money. This has lasted me for, I'll probably say like, this whole year so far. Which probably sounds a bit crazy, but I mean I don't wear makeup like every single day, so maybe that's probably why. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm just going to do eyeliner up my eyes, hence eyeliner, right? So, but yeah, so as you guys may know, I like to do like bold eyeliner, you know, like I like it really thick. So yeah, so what I'll do, I'll literally like, drag it out, and I'll take it probably to just where my eyebrow finishes, and just go whong. So yeah, I'm literally going to go and start on that now, and I'll show you guys. It's kind of like, I would do like a step to step, but you know, like the professionals do it, and they like zoom in, because I can zoom in this camera, I think. Ooh. 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 I think that'll be good enough for now. The thing that's really annoying is that I usually like to have my like, arms on a surface when I do my eyeliner, so my arms don't like jog. All I've done is put some foundation on at the moment, which hasn't really done much, to be honest, so we'll have to do a top up. So yeah, I'm just going to go and start now. So as you can see, I just start from the inner corner and I just go drag it out like most people, to be honest. Then what I do, because after I've done that, the brush has kind of lost a lot of product, so I'll kind of just do like a quick outline. It's not that bold. You can see that. That's what I've done. That's what I made at the moment. Ignore if you can hear a dog. Got a really stupid neighbour upstairs, so probably still timing that soon. But yeah, that's what you can see at the moment. So I'm just going to go fill it in now. So yes, that's one eye done. Literally all I'm going to do, I'm just going to do exactly the same on the other eye, so I don't think there's really a point in you showing you guys that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do exactly what I've done that eye on that eye, and I'll come back. Right, so I'm literally going to document this, because this is what happens every time I do eyeliner. So one side, they both look good, but they both look different. It's just like, oh my god. So yeah, so then basically what I have to do is decide what style do I like the most, and it's definitely this one, because it's thicker. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to like, just play around with this one and try and make it as thick as this one. So yeah, I'll document my fail. And hopefully you guys find it somewhat useful.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Right, so I literally need to make this thicker now, so I'm just going to go and literally do that. So you can see that, I mean I messed up a little bit there, but I'm going to drag it up to make it thicker, and then do a line going down here, joining it to there. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm just going to drag it out again to make it even more thicker, because this is still the thicky winny. This is still the sadsky one, so we'll try. Right, so I chopped off some of the wing, I guess you'd call it, because it wasn't looking as good as this one, so I'm going to go and try and go over it and try and make it as sharp. Ooh, So I went and fixed them up, and I feel like I'm happy enough with them now. So yeah, this is still the better eye, but I think it's the best that I'm going to be able to do. So this is literally what I do for all my eyeliner. Everyone's like, oh, it's so good, but like it's annoying for me because I know they're not exactly even. But then, does it matter? No, not really. It's still sickening. So yeah, that's that. So anyway, I'll come out now. Ooh, wrong way. These are my eyes, so this is literally what I do for every single look. I usually do my eyeliner. I like it on both sides of the eyes, but they're usually completely different. Well, not completely different, but they look different. And I have to spend about like 15-10 minutes messing around trying to make them look as even as I can. And yeah, so this is my eyeliner tutorial. This is what I do currently. All you guys keep asking me. So yeah, I've done the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do have some tea though on my like new rap song I was talking about. So yeah, I said I'm gonna have a second song coming out. But basically, me and my family decided to scrap it because it was the very first song I ever made. I wasn't even there when they my brother created the beat and stuff. So I didn't really like the beat anyway. I had some really good killer verses, but they weren't in time. I was still trying to figure it out. And even now, like singing's a lot easier for me to be in time for some reason than rapping is, because you have to kind of be on the beat anyway. So but yeah, we'll just see what happens with that. So definitely be a new song, probably will be in the new year though, like January or something. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. I can literally hit out a song in like a day, as you guys know. So probably over the Christmas period, because I have literally nothing here with me. So when I go back home over the Christmas time, I'll definitely be recording music. So yeah, stay tuned for that, honey buns. So yeah, that's the update on that. And yeah, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Like and subscribe for more. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I publish screens of a new video. Oh yes. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys. Mwah.